Hi boys and girls, it is Miss Decker and we are doing a read aloud today, but instead of me holding the book up so you can see the pictures, I'm going to put it down here under Ziggy because we are going to be reading a nonfiction book today about llamas. Look how cute that llama is. I think llamas are adorable, and I see them everywhere nowadays on towels and decorations. Llamas and cactuses and even avocado are kind of the cool thing right now. So llamas are everywhere, and they start with not just one L, but two L's. Llamas. So we're going to read this nonfiction book about llamas. Another reason I thought it would be really important to put the book under Ziggy instead of holding it up is that this is nonfiction. And if you remember, when we read nonfiction, there are so many different things that the author uses to give us information in nonfiction. These are called nonfiction text features. It's been a while since we've talked about some of those. We're going to see photographs and captions and labels and diagrams and lots of different things besides just the text or the words on the page. So I want you to be able to see those really clearly. Usually before I read nonfiction, I like to think about what I already know about the topic. I like to get my schema going. So pause the video for a minute and think about what you already might know about llamas, or maybe some questions you have or things you want to know about llamas. What are some things you're wondering about? Pause the video and think about that for just a second before we read. Okay, now let's start reading llamas. Here's our title page. Look how cute and fuzzy. Llamas by Maya Myers. Table of contents. And you know I love a table of contents. It always gives us an idea of what kinds of information we're going to get in our nonfiction book. So let's look at the title of each of these little chapters and see what we might find out about in this book. Take a hike. So llamas have something to do with hiking. Okay. Family matters. Llama lunch. Maybe we'll hear about what llamas eat here. Look at that llama. I wonder if we'll learn about the parts of a llama here. Llama talk. Llama talk. 7 fun facts about llamas. Llamas at work. Llamas have jobs? Okay. Llama love. Oh, so cute. What in the world? And the glossary. And if you remember, the glossary has new words that we might learn in this book, like vocabulary words. Okay. So let's get started with the first chapter. Take a hike. And look at all of them. Looks like they travel in large groups, and it looks like they're doing a lot of walking. Why are these llamas in the mountains? This is where they live. Llamas come from the Andes Mountains. Andes Mountains? Where are the Andes Mountains? I'm going to go back here and take a look. I've pulled up a little map for us to look at. This is a map of the world, and this shows mountain ranges and forests, things like that. So here we are up here in North America. The Andes Mountains are way down here in South America, where this brown strip is. These are the Andes Mountains. This is where llamas come from. Remember, the penguins are down here in Antarctica. We are right here in the middle of the United States, and llamas come from here, the Andes Mountains in South America. Pretty cool. Make that big for you again. There we go. Oh, you know what? These little things up here are jokes, and when we're done with the book, I'll go back through and I'm going to tell you some funny llama jokes, okay? But let's read about llamas first, and then we'll do the silly stuff. Llamas are made for mountain life. Their thick hair keeps them warm. Their long necks sway to help them balance on steep trails. Interesting. So you know when you're trying to balance and you put your arms out like this, that's what they do with their necks so that they don't fall off the side of the mountain or fall off a trail. That's pretty cool. Family matters. Oh, look. This says this is a large herd. A herd is a group of animals. Oh, it says right here, herd, a group of animals. And this is a small herd. I always like to look at the pictures before I read the words. That's just the kind of reader I am. I like to look at all these little guys first, and then I come down here and read the big guys. Llamas live in family groups called herds. Herds can be large or small. We just saw that. Here's the large one and here's the small one. The llamas in the herd take care of one another. Aw, that's nice. Do you have a herd? A family that you look after that takes care of you? I'll bet you do. Here's another herd word, dominant. Dominant means most powerful. Llamas compete to be the most powerful in the herd. The dominant llama likes to stand on higher ground than the others. Ooh, yeah, look at him. He's standing out there all dominant, all big and bad and tough looking. But really, it's his job to look out for the little ones too. Young llamas neck wrestle for fun, but when they are older, it can be a real fight. Look at them neck wrestling. That'd be kind of hard to do because our necks aren't very long. It'd be kind of uncomfortable. Oh, look at that little guy. It says a baby llama is called a cria. This tells us how to say it. Cria. Cria. Less than an hour after a baby llama is born, it can stand up and walk. Less than an hour? It takes us usually like a year for humans, babies, to get up and walk. This llama's doing it after an hour. That's pretty amazing. But the baby will still need to stay close to its mother for about a year. Aw. Ooh, llama lunch. Llama lunch is the name of this chapter. Here's a herd word, herbivore. I've heard that before when learning about dinosaurs. Herbivore, an animal that eats only plants. So are we safe from llamas? At least from them trying to eat us, yeah. Llamas are herbivores. That means they eat only plants. They eat mostly grasses and hay. Llamas chew their food, swallow it, then bring it back up to chew again. What is it with these animals throwing up and eating their own thrown up food? Ew. Penguins did it when they fed their babies. They regurgitated the food. And now llamas chew it up, swallow it, and then bring it back up and chew on it again. Would you do that? I don't know if I would. Even with the most delicious food, like a candy bar? No, it can just stay down there. Ugh. Look at that llama. Oh, I'm noticing. We did this with penguins. This is a diagram. I'm going to go ahead and read the text first. Llamas can weigh up to 440 pounds. That's big. That's more than some pianos. Most llamas are about as tall as an adult human. Let's take a closer look at llamas. Let's start down here and just go around. Feet. Soft padded feet help llamas keep steady on steep mountain trails and walk gently over farmers' fields. Tail. Look at that cute little tail. Llamas use their tails to talk to other llamas. What? Maybe we'll hear more about that in that llama talk chapter. I cannot wait. My mind is going crazy and wondering how they use their tails to talk. So I'm excited to learn about that. Neck. A long neck helps llamas balance. We learned about that. That's pretty cool. Wonder if giraffes do that too. Ears. Llamas have excellent hearing. Their ears are shaped like bananas. Look, they kind of are. That's so cute. Eyes. Their big eyes have long lashes to block bright light from the sun. So their long eyelashes are kind of like a hat. Like when we wear hats to keep the sun out of our eyes. It also makes them look very cute, in my opinion. Snout. Big lips and long teeth make it easy to eat leaves and grass. Here is its snout, right here, this whole little piece. Hair. Thick hair can be black, gray, white, or brown. It can be short or long. It keeps llamas warm. Toes. Oh my gosh, llamas have toes. 2 long toes with sharp nails can grip rocky trails. Wow, sounds like all of their parts have very important jobs. Here's llama talk. You can hear about those tails. This says ears forward equals danger. See, his ears are forward. He's telling everyone that there's danger. Ears back equals get out of my space. This looks like a cat I used to have. Cats do that too. They put their ears back when they're getting ready to hiss at you to get back. Llamas use their bodies to communicate. They move their ears to send messages. The way they hold their tails means different things too. A stiff tail, like this, equals an unhappy llama. A relaxed tail equals calm llama. I don't have a tail, but when I get all stiff like this, I'm not very happy either. But when I'm calm, I relax. Llamas do that too, just with their tails. Even the way a llama holds its neck sends a signal to other llamas. Tall neck equals large and in charge. And neck out, look out. Oh yeah, look at that long neck sticking out. When they sense danger, llamas give a loud warning cry. They also communicate by clucking, making a gargling sound, and humming. Oh my goodness. Look at that face. Look at those teeth. That's cute. These banana ears. Aw. 7 fun facts about llamas. Number 1. Llamas can throw tantrums. When they are very annoyed, they may spit, hiss, kick, and lie down. But usually they are friendly. 2. Therapy llamas visit with people who are sick or elderly. Elderly means very old. 3. Llama poop doesn't stink. Oh my goodness. Llama poop does not stink. People use dried llama poop for fuel and fertilizer. Fertilizer is used to help plants grow in the soil. Number 4. Llamas have been helping people for more than 5,000 years. Llamas even helped people build the Inca city of Machu Picchu in Peru. So they've been around a long time. Number 5. Look at that. Is this a cheerleader llama? Number 5. In Peru, lots of llamas have their ears pierced. People put tassels in to help tell them apart. They make good fly swatters too. Very stylish llama. Number 6. Llamas are related to camels, but they are smaller and don't have the humps. So they're in the same family, just a little bit different. And number 7, mama llamas hum to new babies and their babies hum back. Oh, so cute. That is amazing. Llamas at work. Look at this picture. Can you tell the work that the llama is doing? Look what it's carrying. Here's a vocabulary word, pack animal. A pack animal is an animal that carries things for people. They're pretty big and strong, so that is a pretty good job for a llama. Look at that. Llamas are pack animals. They live with people and work to help them. They use their strong bodies and sense of balance to carry heavy loads on steep mountainsides. Llamas are smart and learn quickly. They can learn to protect herds of sheep or goats. If a dangerous animal comes close, the llama will scare it away. Llamas help people in other ways too. People use llama wool to make cloth and rope. There's some different captions about how llama wool is made into yarn and llama love. Some people keep llamas as pets. They are very friendly and easy to train. They can learn new tasks and tricks after just a little practice. You'd need a farm-sized backyard though. Yeah, you would. And what in the world? These pictures are close-up views of llamas. Use the hints to help figure out what's in the picture. And I'll leave that. You can pause that video and use the word bank if you'd like to go through and look at some of these different parts and read the hints. And then I would encourage you to go back and look at some of these jokes up here at the top.